Hey.
Hi, Daddy.
Come on in. Hi.
Oh. That's your thing. It's going around.
Yeah.
Oh.
You like it?
Yeah.
Look at your Christmas tree. Surprise! You got a Christmas tree. Come this way.
Yeah.
There he is. Look at Mommy. You like a choo-choo train?
Yeah.
That's your size? That's Santa? Yeah? It's your ring? And choo-choo?
Yeah. Present.
Presents in the choo-choo train. You like it? Look how pretty the tree is. Look at the tree.
Look at the star.
Oh, that's a fire truck? Is that a fire truck?
Yeah. Fire.
Look at the star on top of the tree.
Fire.
A fire, like a fire truck? A fire. Oh, you're putting the fire out? Look at you. Good job. Look at you. Good job.
Yeah. Choo-choo train.
What else do you see on the tree? What other things on the tree do you see?
What?
Light?
Yeah, light.
Let's see. What's that? Let's see what-
Yeah, present. What's in there? Nothing's in there. It's an ornament.
Look at this one. Look at this one. Nene, he's showing. Santa on the tree. That's right.
Yeah, think that.
Thomas the train. You like your surprise? Yeah? Good. What's that? It is Santa. That's an ornament. Can you say ornament? That's another ornament.
What's that?
It's a pretty ornament.
Yeah. What's that?
Those are stockings.
What's in there?
Nothing yet?
Candy.
Not yet. You see this one? You see this one?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's the one that it's down. It goes down.
What's that one?
Yeah.
You see the truck? Look at this one. Look at this one.
Still up.
oh,
You see this one?
car.
Look at this one.
Car. What's this? Uh-oh. It's yellow car. Yellow car.
Yellow car.
What's that?
Let's see.
Bird.
Yeah, bird.
Fish.
Tweet, tweet.
Think that.
Yeah.
Yeah.